Alright, welcome to the channel. Back in the shop again. Today we're going to be starting on some tube work. I'm going to start by grinding that stuff down with the tubes I cut off, get it all cleaned up, and then get all the tube work dialed in. I still have to clean the ends up on this, so we'll do all that, get it all ready to weld, and hopefully by the end of the day we'll be welding it out and finishing up all the storage. So I just made this tube real quick. I did have this tube built up, but honestly it matches that tube back there, but I just didn't really like it. So there's a lot of straight tubes back here and the bend just didn't really flow. For the coilover mounts, we're just going to keep it simple. Couple holes in a plate, box it all in, and so we'll make that real quick, and then we'll do the same thing on the other side. We'll just do a simple plate in there, call it a day. Got everything all stripped down, cleaned up, and ready to weld. Got the mill scale taken off of it, so now I'm ready to weld everything out in the rear, and then we got to still finish the fuel cell mounts as well as just gusset them in and then start building the storage. Blinded. Made a little piece of cardboard that slides right in and should hold it nice and self-locate. So with the fuel cell and storage figured out, next up is the battery. We'll get the battery mounted, and then from there we should be able to plumb it out and get it running again if we want. So work on the battery. So for the battery mount, I decided to not make a new one, just reuse my old one. I might remake a new one at some point, but that one's been working for years, so I might as well keep it. And then on the other side, I'm gonna mount the cartridge welder. So that should offset the battery weight since they weigh about the same. I gotta check, make sure that the seat will fit without interfering with it. It should fit, and then I gotta make a bracket for that. So coming together, almost done with the rear.